Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking steps? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to revolutionize your cooking, making meal prep effortless and delicious. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's your go-to kitchen appliance, boasting 9-in-1 functionality as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, steamer, food warmer, sous vide, and sterilizer. Imagine ditching multiple gadgets for one sleek machine that handles everything from perfectly cooked rice to tender roasts, truly simplifying your culinary life. With 15 one-touch customizable programs, from soup to cake, you can literally set it and forget it, ensuring perfect results every single time. Whether you're a beginner home chef or looking to upgrade your cooking game, these smart programs take the guesswork out of complex recipes, making dinner a breeze. And for durability and easy cleaning, it features a premium food-grade stainless steel inner pot, a huge advantage over non-stick alternatives. No more worrying about scratched coatings. This pot is built to last, non-reactive, and super easy to clean, differentiating it from many competitors. Ready to experience the future of cooking? Check out the best Instant Pot deals right now using the Amazon link in my description below. For anyone searching for the best kitchen appliance for 2025 or simply wanting to cook smarter, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute game changer. Don't miss out on this incredible upgrade. Click the link, transform your kitchen, and happy cooking.